Happy good morning! Welcome back to episode 3. Today I'm going to show you how to make a recycled craft. I converted a cardboard box into this cute vintage farmhouse truck just in time for the fall harvest. The truck was made only by using materials from around my house. It was completely free to make. If you haven't already, please be sure to check out episodes 1 and 2 by clicking on the links. In another video, I'll show you how I made all the apple themed crafts you see here. These awesome autumn crafts are perfect for the fall harvest season, and best of all, they'll match your little vintage truck. Let's get started. Your main tool today will be a hot glue gun and lots of glue sticks. Here I'm shaping the cab to the door frame. In episode 1, we traced the door frame cover with black scrapbook paper and set it aside. Let's use that now. Use a glue stick to cover the remaining part of the door. Do the same to the driver's side. I've been helping shape the truck's hood and grille by using binder clips. I like to use a metal ruler as a straight edge. This will help fold over the truck hood and make it easier to glue into place. Only glue the hood to the inside of the windshield. Next, we'll shape the grille.
Did someone say grill?
Wrong type of grille, Sunny. Here I'm just testing how everything's going to look once it's all glued together. Now that I like the look of where the grille's going to go, we can finish gluing the truck's hood. To make the front of the cab, I covered a 3x3" piece of cardboard with scrapbook paper on one side. Let's glue that to the inside right below the windshield. Okay, gluing the steering wheel can be a bit tricky. The key is to let the glue dry completely before letting go. The steering wheel is a bit heavy, so you have to glue this about 5 or 6 times. It looks a bit messy, but I guarantee you won't see it from the outside. Next up is gluing the back of the cab. I covered a 3x4" piece of cardboard with black paper on one side and blue on the other. Glue the back of the cab to the inside of the rear window. Notice the bottom inch is bent. This will help hold the truck bed into place. We'll see that in just a minute. Let's glue the fenders into place. The 3/4" fenders go up front, and the 1/2" fenders go towards the rear of the truck. Glue the running boards to the underside of the truck and then glue them to the underside of each fender. Glue the truck bed to the top folded part of the back of the truck cab. Here I cut 4 3/4 inch by 4 inch strips. These will be the brackets that help hold the truck bed in place. Glue to the inside of the fender. Crease over 1/4 inch and glue to the outside. Lastly, glue the long strips to the bottom of the truck bed. Building the stake bed is really easy.
Did someone say steak?
Sorry, Sonny, not that kind of steak. Be sure to hold it into place and wait for the glue to dry.
Let's make our truck look real by adding bumpers and lights. Oops, sorry, Sunny. Don't worry, we'll fix it.
In episode 1, we used a plastic berry container to make the truck windows. I think the edge of the container looks like a bumper. I cut the first one and decided it looked more like the back bumper. I like the curved look of the container for the front bumper. Wrap these in foil. As a side note, this took me 6 or 7 times to get the foil smooth enough for my liking. I just kept unwrapping, smoothing the foil out, and rewrapping until I got the look that I really liked. In order to hold the bumpers to the truck, we need to make bumper brackets. I'm using the top of a box that's already been folded. We'll cover these with foil and bend them into a J shape. To help shape them, I'm using binder clips. Make 4, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. Cut 5 1/2 inch by 4 inch strips of foil. Smooth with a stylus and fold. I'm using chopsticks to help fold them over. Once you have both sides folded in, smooth out with a stylus. Sorry about the blur. My camera had a hard time focusing with the glare of the foil.
Oh, that's one hot grill.
It's still not that kind of grill, Sunny.
Oh, come on. That pun was really well done. with blinker fluid.
Let's see our completed farmhouse harvest truck.
Wow, it really does look vintage.
Sunny, what's your favorite part of making the truck?
My favorite part? It's taking it for a test drive.
Remember to check out the link for more Apple Decor themed crafts. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. I hope you have a sweet, charming day, and I'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas. Happy crafting!